In this webinar, we'd like to look at using the CMCConnect website as a volunteer. In particular, we're going to look at sending bulk messages.
How to send bulk messages to members. I'm going to show you what it looks like for the Alberta Institute. It's the same principle. Okay, so this is the Alberta Institute. So right now, the chair of the Alberta Institute is the only one who has administrative rights for this group. We would like, if any of the chairs want to assign a communications person to have these rights, we certainly will add them as well as an admin for these groups. So again, go to the gear icon, click here. You're going to select down to send bulk email. Now there is a template created for standalone messages. So you'll see here it says send an email using the template. You're going to want to click here and then select standalone message. And you're going to want to edit before sending. So you click like that, and then it'll go on, and then hit next. This is called a one-time message template, and these will go directly to the inboxes of the members of this community only, unless they've opted out, which is what we showed earlier. If they don't want to receive emails from this community, they will not receive it, but the default is that they will be receiving it until they opt out. This is the reply. You can leave this reply to message unless you want the reply to you specifically. This is the default subject right now, but you can change that. The logo is standard, and if you want to change the message here, just type in whatever message you want. Again, it's Word template, so if you want to type in. We just suggested that template to make sure that you're putting in your name and your title, et cetera, and having a greeting from Andrea. So this is the design, the version of it. If somebody only wants to receive the text version, you're going to want to just copy and then paste your message into the text version so they can also see that. So this is your message right now, and then you're going to click next. So right now it says I've selected 451 recipients for the message because there's 451 members in the CMC Alberta community. If I wanted to receive a sample before I send these messages, I would put my email address in there and click send sample, and you can have a look at what it looks like before you decide to send it. If I want to send the messages, I would click send messages, but I do not want to send that message out. So I'm just going to back out of there, but that is how you would send a bulk message. The same principle works for communities. If you want to send a message just to everyone else in that community. So for example, I'm going to look at a community here. If I'm the CMC Saskatchewan Council, I'm a member of that council, so I have admin rights. If I want to send a message to everyone in that group, in that committee, I would send bulk email. Again, I would click standalone message and edit, next, and then edit that. Now, it's not really, you can certainly send bulk messages to other committee members, but the fact that there is a discussion forum that would be the preferred method we would expect for communicating within that community.